Echeveria or cascading cactus?
Cascading cactus.
Cascading cactus. You know, I think, do you want to see how I handle a cactus? That's not nice. You want me to get poked by this puppy? Well, I have a surprise for you, because it's a soft cactus. But it's a great choice. It doesn't have to hang from a tree if it's in a tall pot. So that justifies the use of a tall pot. The bad thing about tall pots is that they have so much soil in them that that soil stays wet and your plants are more prone to rotting. So here's what you do. Some of you are nodding, you've seen my YouTube video. Okay, so you just fill the bottom of that with plastic bottles. And I knew I could get 5 in there. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I have filled the lower part of the pot with plastic bottles. Now I even have a couple more, because that isn't going to need very much soil. You want to leave the caps on your bottles, because you are creating air pockets. If you take the caps off, water and soil are going to go inside of that. Okay, so that's repurposing at its finest. And because this is a deep pot and there are cracks between the plastic bottles, I've got pumice to fill that to get any excess moisture. Okay. And there is, did I remember to, I didn't remember to put anything in the bottom. Well, I'm not going to dump it out and cover the hole in the bottom, okay? We'll just leave it. Darn, I had a screen and everything ready to do that. Pull down on the hook and it snaps right off. And it looks like it's going to need some soil, not much. So isn't that a great trick? Yeah. So now what I have is a pot that's leaking pumice. You never know what you're going to find under the hood. This is going to be as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. And it slid right out. Little dreadlocks of a plant. So this is a tropical cactus from the rainforests of Brazil. It is an understory plant, but it's going to need some light in order to bloom. Flowers really like their light. And it's a great plant to hang from a tree or put into a tall pot. It's interesting, it has personality. And there we go. Just drop it right in there. Ow! You know, you can touch these if you pet them downward, but if you come up under them, I'm going to add a little bit more soil to this, probably after I get home, because there's nothing more boring than watching someone put soil into a pot.